fellow Bicolanos, as we gather to celebrate the Peña Francia Fiesta 2024, let us reflect on the divine legacy we are entrusted with to nourish our faith, preserve our rich religious heritage, and share the blessings we receive from our Ina with the rest of the world. As a community, the Naga College Foundation Inc. joins all devotees, bound by our love for Ina, and through this shared devotion, we find strength, unity, and purpose. As we leap into the future, let us continue to cultivate the seeds of faith that have been passed down through generations to live out the virtues embodied by our Queen, Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia: compassion, humility, and unwavering devotion. Let us nurture them so that they may flourish for generations to come. Viva la Virgen!
Sa likod kan mga kadipisilan, mga nag-aging kalamidad, tensyong pansiguridad, asindaing undok na kariribukan sa bilog na kinakban, padahagos mo kaming binabantayan. Salamat po ina sa urualdaw mong pagpadangat. Ang bilog na kabikulan, yaon sa pagranga kan sa himong ngaran. Halik kay Congressman Zaldico, Congressman Jill Bungalon, asin kan bilog na Ako Bicol Party List. Viva la Virgen! Viva Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia!
Magandang balita para sa ating mga magniniyog. Alam nyo bang maaaring madagdagan ang inyong kita sa pag-intercrop ng kakao at kape sa inyong niyugan? Ito ay ang proyektong Community-Based Farm Enterprise Development Project Coffee and Cacao Intercropping sa ilalim ng Coconut Farmers and Industry Trust Fund Act na ipinatutupad ng Department of Agriculture High Value Crops Development Program sa pakikipagtulungan sa Philippine Coconut Authority. Layunin nitong gawing makabago ang industriya ng pagniniyog sa bansa upang mapataas ang kita ng mga magniniyog. Ano ang maaari mong ma-avail sa proyektong ito? Expansion of coconut coffee and or cacao intercropping, rehabilitation of existing coffee and cacao trees, at establishment of coffee and cacao nurseries. Papaano? Kailangan lamang na ikaw ay rehistrado sa National Coconut Farmers Registry System at Registry System for Basic Sectors in Agriculture, miyembro ng asosasyon o kooperatiba na PCI accredited at may geotag ng inyong farm area. Ang cacao ay mainam na intercrop sa niyog o saging sa loob ng 18 buwan ay mamumunga na. Kaya nitong mamunga hanggang 25 taon. Malaki ang demand nito sa buong mundo dahil ito ay ang pangunahing sangkap ng tsokolate.
One Media TV48 Naga Peña Francia 2024 special coverage is powered by Converge. Presented by Naga College Foundation. Leap into the future. Duty Free Philippines. Shop now at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. Gold Glofa Builders. ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. BMEG. Alagang BMEG. Alagang #1. Department of Agriculture Bicol. Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communication Incorporated. Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream community, and Aman Engineering Enterprises, we build to last. Owned and managed by Engineer Emeterio L. Aman, CECRB RMP, and Miss Marilyn S.P. Aman, RN. Also brought to you by Naga Optical, quality eyeglasses made while you wait. Located at 2nd floor, SM City, Naga. Eternal Gardens, Naga, where every eternal chapels and mortuary, Naga, and eternal crematory, Naga. Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurong pa. Aguila Autoglass, the original and #1 windshield and optica supplier in the Philippines. KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga. Team Lamon Sabawan, San Felipe, Naga City. MH My Home Spa, pamper, renew, and live well. Skytech Advertising.